I'm Cindy and I'm going to be making wrapped hot dogs. So first you're going to cut your hot dogs. I already did this, but I think this one's a little too long. So I'm going to cut it one more time. And then you're going to I already rolled these out, and you're going to take it and wrap it around like that. It might look like there's a lot of dough, but it's not going to taste like there's going to be a lot of dough. And then you just keep doing that. And this one, so I'm going to teach you how to roll it. So you just keep going like this, and it's going to turn out thick. So if you just do that, just like stretch it like that, and then you do that. And to get the right amount, it's about like if it's a tiny one like this much is good. And then just keep rolling it and stretching it. And then you're ready to put it over like that. And today we're using the normal dough. It's the blue kind, the classic original one. And then once you're done with that, you're gonna put it in the pan or whatever this is called. And then you're gonna cook it, and then we'll be right back when they're done cooking. This is how they turned out. And we cooked them for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to try them. They're really good and everybody likes them. Even we all try it.